So this next exercise in this series of hand-eye coordination and drawing as touch, it's basically the same thing as what we did, where we've got one finger. Remember, don't grope at the object. That's trying to figure out what it is. What is this thing in front of me? One finger moving across the object, going all the way around, and the finger and the pin coordinate. Except this time you can have your eye open. I know you can't see my eyes, but now I have my eye open and I'm doing like the hand-eye coordination videos. I'm still touching, but I'm watching my finger. It's like the cursor on the screen with the hand-eye coordination videos. Now you're going to be tempted as you do. Notice I'm going in and back and around and forward. You're going to be tempted as you do this to edge detect. More tempted to edge detect because you can see the object, so your edge detection system is going to be in place, and it's going to start overriding everything a little bit more. You want to avoid that as much as possible. So notice I'm really going across the surface here, back in and around, forward, over. Now I'm on the edge for a little bit. Now I'm back and I'm going over the teeth, so I'm getting this bump, and now I'm going on the edge of the teeth, and then I go back up into the mouth and around, and I'm still trying to explore the object. Maybe I go ahead and actually make a connection all the way over here and then back down in and around. I'm going a little fast too. You should go slower than that. So that's the big thing when your eyes are open, is you're going to be more prone to trying to draw what you think you know about the thing, which is what you're seeing now. You should still just be thinking about drawing the motion of your finger over the object and moving your finger in lots of directions. Again, if the object turns, that's fine. You're still just getting the motion of your finger. That will maybe make for a more interesting drawing. So same thing, eyes open. You're following your finger like the cursor or like a laser pointer. 10 minutes of that.